Hey guys, today I'll be showing you a couple of exciting updates that came to N8N plus an exciting update for us. Without wasting time, let's get into it. So the first thing that's been added is that finally you don't have to manually execute each trigger and try to find each trigger in your workflows. Now, if they are on the same page, you just have this arrow is a lifesaver because you can choose which trigger to set as the default, for example, and just execute it from here. So that's a quality of life improvement that's very needed. The second is when it comes to logs. So let's take this to the workflow. I'm very proud of it. It's just a code node that says hello world. Using the handy arrow, we select the trigger, we execute it, and we get our hello world. Now, if we go to the logs, they added this pop-out panel. Now, this is a lifesaver because it keeps everything organized and, less clutter, as you can see. Logs in the panel, and you can execute the node from the panel. And if you do a lot of executions and the data pulls up, you know that N8N might get slower. So if you want to clear the executions, you have this bin icon now. Just click it, and there you have it. All the executions are clear. Now, the next exciting update is this, the Perplexity tool. Why this is exciting? Well, back in the day, the AI agent didn't have access to Perplexity. You had to go through a whole ordeal of using HTTP request nodes and all that stuff. It was a headache. Now, you get the Perplexity tool. How do you get it? Well, you just add your agent. If you don't know how, just click Add Node, AI agent. You'll have the agent and go to tool, write Perplexity. And now all you have to do is enter your credentials. If you don't know how, just go to Perplexity and go to your account, go to my account and API keys. Here, generate the key, bring it back to N8N, and boom, you will have your credentials right there. You can select the model, you give the system message, the role, you can do all of that stuff. So it's very helpful. It's less clutter again. I think with these updates, they focused more on the quality of life, which is very appreciated. What's also appreciated is this next feature where, let's just connect it to show it off. Say that you have a complex workflow, not like mine, but you have a complex workflow, but you want to make it into a sub-workflow to be used by others. Well, it's very simple now. All you have to do is just select your nodes. Select the nodes, not the execution trigger, because it will not work if you do. So select your nodes and right-click. You'll see convert two nodes, or if you have multiple, to sub-workflow. Just click on it, or Alt-X if you want to be a professional. Give it a name. I'm gonna leave it like this. And immediately it's been turned into a sub-workflow. This is a great quality of life improvement. And finally, for the last node, say that you have your agent. Give it the model and you give it a prompt. But the output is not to your liking. It's not that high quality. Well, with the evaluation node, you can evaluate the output of your model to see which is best, to see how you can improve, to see if you are on the right track, and to see if your prompting has improved. So just write evaluation, set output. There's a whole documentation on it, so feel free to read it. But this has been a quick look into the new updates to N8N. Now, to our update, we're happy to announce that we have a paid subscription. It's $20 a month. It helps us a lot. What do you get? Well, our previous and next workflows will be given to those who have this subscription for free. But if you do not want to pay a subscription, just go to our shop. In here, you will find our previous and our next workflows. So you can pick and choose whichever workflow you want. It's only $10, but I'm sure you guys have seen the quality. So in my opinion, it's well worth it. So that has been updates for N8N and our site. Remember guys to like, subscribe, comment, and check out the shop. And if you want to support us and support yourself with quality workflows, consider subscribing, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.